We learned how we're gonna use the data provider. Now let's see how we are gonna do it in our test. So you know that here we are passing username and password. Initially there was nothing here. This was not there. I mean this was not there. So now we are passing data provider. So that's why we'll put here at get data. So here we have created one get data provider, and here we have given it annotation called data provider. Forget this for a moment. So yeah, there are four sets of data, right? And yeah, there are four sets of data. So if I run this now, it will run for each iteration for these four sets of data, right? So let's see. So this is correct username, correct password, correct username, incorrect password, incorrect username, correct password, and incorrect username, incorrect password. So there are four cases. So one should pass and four should fail. This will fail. It will close the browser now. This is the third one that is opening. So currently we are not running it in parallel. We are just running it as a single, one by one. This will also fail. This is the last one. This will also fail. Right. So we have three failures, one pass. So now the thing is, what if I want to run it in parallel? So I will put parallel is equal to true. Now the problem here is, if you put parallel is equal to true, so while I was running this, notice that the thread count was 1. Although I was running it from there, uh, so even if I run it from here, it will open one by one, right? So here I had not put parallel equal to true. Yeah, I can show you. See, if I run it from here, it will open it one by one. Right, it is opening one by one. So we know that. I'll stop it for now. Okay. Now the thing is, if I reduce this, okay, I'll just reduce this particular and I'll remove this. So and put here parallel is equal to 2. Now if I try to run it, sorry, I shouldn't run from here. I should run it from there. Okay, there is some issue. That issue came. So yeah, so if I run it now, notice that this is still 1, right? So it will pick 3 browsers now, even though this is 1, because it is taking 3 test data and then it is passing us. See, 3 browsers open, right? And my laptop has a limited RAM, right? It cannot run all the tests. See, it's not run, it's running at some speed. See, it is increasing, right? So it has limited RAM, so it cannot do this much of operation, right? So here we will have the result now. Let's see what's the result. Now one pass, two fails, right? Now if I put, if I, if, if now I want to have some control. For example, if there is 50 test data, now this will open 50 browsers, which is not right, right? So what we'll do in that case, here we will do at the suit level, we will write data provider thread count is equal to 2. So what will happen now is it will open only 2 browsers at a time. If I put 3 here, it will open 3 browsers at a time, right? So this is the benefit of this, and this is how we can handle this particular case, and it would be showing us the correct whatever is there, right? So let's see how the we'll have three failures and two and one passing, right? Because we are running four tests, so two at a time. Let's see. Okay, so result is here, one is passing. So this is how we can handle it. So I think we have covered this now, and let's go ahead now.